On Thursday night into Friday morning, torrential downpours led to widespread flooding in parts of KwaZulu-Natal, especially in the Kloof and Pinetown region, which led to flooded roads and rivers as well as widespread damages and unfortunately loss of life. I hope everyone's okay. Our thoughts and prayers goes out to every single person affected, and please comment how much rain you received on Thursday night and Friday morning, because just in a few hours, Hillcrest weather station reported more than 200 millimeters, and up until Friday morning, more than 100 millimeters fell here near Durban and 131 millimeters reported at King Shaka International Airport. Please be careful. We still have that orange level 6 warning in place this Friday night for the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. But what's the weather looking like this weekend? Let's see. On Saturday, we still have this reaching high that's responsible for the onshore flow of moist air. It's weakening a bit, so we are expecting showers in KwaZulu-Natal, but not as heavy rainfall amounts as Thursday and Friday. But we know the ground is saturated, so we still have a warning in place for the possibility of localized flooding. And then stormy conditions expected since earlier over the central and northern regions, and then due to a steep upper level chart, thunderstorms likely on Saturday from the west to the east across South Africa. Therefore, we're expecting stormy weather to move on Saturday over the parts of the Northern Cape and the Karoo, becoming widespread here over the bordering regions in the Northern Cape, Northwest, as well as the Free State. Over there, we've got a yellow level 2 warning in place. A few of those storms could likely become severe and result in a quick heavy downpour or even large amounts of small hail. So please be careful and get yourself and your car under cover if the sky turns dark. More scattered storms likely there in parts of KwaZulu-Natal and then later becoming stormy here over Lesotho. And then on Sunday, foggy conditions expected at first here in the west as well as in parts of the Western Cape and along the west coast. Thunderstorms overnight into Sunday morning expected over northeastern South Africa, and then stormy conditions yet again expected to move over large parts of the Free State, spreading a little bit more eastwards over Lesotho and later reaching parts of Gauteng, where I'm sure the South African Weather Service will issue a warning for the possibility of severe storms, especially here in parts of northwest the Free State, Gauteng and Lesotho, as well as surrounding regions, with stormy weather also expected to bubble up here over the escarpment regions in the Karoo. And then on Monday, the upper level chart starting to weaken, but more storms likely over large parts of South Africa, stretching into the Eastern Cape and yet again KwaZulu-Natal. A fresh to strong northeaster blowing along the coast of the Eastern Cape with that moderate onshore flow, bringing in more showers on and off for the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. And then on Sunday, we're expecting that northeaster to spread along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, blowing fresh at times and a moderate onshore breeze expected behind a weak cold front over western South Africa. This weekend, lots of cloud hanging over South Africa with stormy weather expected as mentioned. Therefore, maximum temperatures remaining in the lower to mid-20s over central as well as eastern South Africa, including parts of Gauteng, the Highveld and KwaZulu-Natal. In those regions, due to the cloud, temperatures will battle to reach 20 degrees and remain in the low 20s. Even cooler on Sunday here in the shade of green, where maximum temperatures will be below 20 degrees, only 17 in Bethlehem, 19 in Ermelo. A cloudy day with showers on and off and later becoming stormy in Johannesburg with a high of 21 degrees, but sunny skies in the west with maximum temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. And then on Monday, temperatures will slowly start to recover, but it's still mild over central South Africa, 22 degrees in Johannesburg, 21 in Bethlehem, and warmer weather for KwaZulu-Natal with maximum temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, as well as in the Lowveld and here over western South Africa, hot in Vredendal, 34 degrees. Well, that's all from me. Stay safe, everyone, and have a lovely weekend.